We've all been there. It's the first of the month, your phone pings with that salary-credited SMS, and for about 5 minutes you feel like a king. But then the rent goes out, the EMIs hit, the Zomato orders you forgot about, the Amazon sale you couldn't resist. Suddenly, you're looking at the 20th of the month with a low-key dread. You're working hard, but it feels like you're just running in place. What if I told you there's a way to break this cycle, not by working harder, but by hiring a silent partner who never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and eventually starts paying your bills for you? Today, we're talking about the dividend snowball, the exact system wealthy Indian families use to make their money work harder than they do. Most people think you need crores to see any real passive income, but the magic actually starts much sooner. Let's say you're doing a 10,000 rupee monthly SIP. In the beginning, it's all you're pushing the rock uphill, but something incredible happens when your portfolio hits 10 lakhs rupees. At a conservative 12% return, that portfolio starts generating about 10,000 rupees every single month. Do you see what just happened? The market is now contributing the exact same amount as you. You've hired a silent partner who is matching your hustle rupee for rupee. This is the first staircase of wealth. From 0 to 10 lakhs rupees might take you nearly 6 years. It's slow, it's boring, but the jump from 40 lakhs rupees to 50 lakhs rupees takes only 18 months because your silent partner is now doing 4 times the work you are. Now here is where most beginners get it wrong. They see a stock with an 8% dividend yield and think, perfect, instant cash. But chasing high yield is often a trap. In India, many high-yield stocks are in slow-growth sectors. Think of it like this. You have 2 choices. Choice A, a stock that pays you a lot today but stays the same price. Choice B, a stock like Nestle India or HDFC Bank that pays a small dividend today, maybe only 1.5%, but grows that dividend by 15% every single year. Over 20 years, Choice B doesn't just give you a portfolio worth 3.6 times more, it actually pays you 2.3 times more in annual income. Wealthy investors don't ask, how much am I getting today? They ask, what will this pay me in 15 years? So how do we make the portfolio pay for your SIPs? It's a 3-phase journey. Phase 1, years 1 to 10, focus on dividend growth stocks. You won't see much cash yet. Your goal is to hit that 10 lakhs rupee milestone where your dividends start covering a portion of your monthly investments. Phase 2, the acceleration. This is the magic. Instead of spending those dividends, you reinvest them. Now your monthly investment isn't just your salary, it's salary plus dividends. This is the snowball effect in action. Phase 3, the income years. By year 15 or 20, you transition into higher yield stocks. Suddenly, you aren't just covering your SIP, you're covering your lifestyle. You're hitting that 50,000 rupee per month mark in passive income. I have to be honest with you, the hardest part of this journey isn't the math, it's the boring middle. Between months 8 and 30, your progress will feel invisible. Your friends will be buying new cars on EMI, while you're putting money into a portfolio that looks like it's barely moving. According to data, 50% of investors quit within the first 3 years. They quit right before the magic starts. Don't be that person. The difference between retiring at 60 versus 45 is simply the discipline to stay invested when nothing seems to be happening. Every 1,000 rupee you save at age 22 is worth nearly 3 times as much as the same amount saved at age 32. You're not just saving money, you're buying your future freedom. You don't become rich by being debt-free. You become rich by making your money work harder than you do. So start today. Even if it's just a small SIP, get your silent partner on the payroll. Because 20 years from now, you'll look back at this moment and thank yourself for starting the snowball. If this helped you see money differently, hit that subscribe button.